Hello, my name is Tanay Tiwari and welcome to Buzz This Week, a show that you always vote for. But हम भी अपने वादे के पक्के हैं, जो मैनिफेस्टो में प्रॉमिस करते हैं लेके आते हैं. क्रिकेट हो, क्रिकेट न्यूज़ हो या मीम्स हो, you get everything here and I know it has been a sad last few days for cricket fans. But जब तक आप हैं, हम हैं, cricket news है, cricket memes हैं, we'll fill this vacuum together on the show this week. COVID-19 strikes IPL 2021. IPL 2021, the week that was. And cricket cares. There are some things in life that you see coming but you don't want them to come. Like that laughter attack in a very serious situation. आपको पता है हंसी आने वाली है, but आप wish करते हो कि यार हंसी ना आए यहाँ पर. The end to the IPL 2021 season, at least as of now, was one such thing. The 2021 season of the Indian Premier League started in a massive shadow of the ever-growing number of COVID-19 cases in India. But then they conducted the first half of the league stages without any incidents within those bio bubbles in different cities. But all of us knew it would take just one case, and one case it took. First news broke of Varun Chakravarti and Sandeep Warrior testing positive inside the KKR bio bubble. Then, hours later, Lakshmipati Balaji and a support staff member of the Chennai Super Kings tested positive as well. And before the BCCI could do any sort of damage control, the next morning there was news of virus breaking into other biosecure bubbles as well. On the morning of May 4th, Amit Mishra tested positive in the Delhi Capitals bubble. Riddhiman Saha tested positive in the Sunrisers Hyderabad bubble. And just like that, May the 4th wasn't with any cricket fan, as the BCCI top brass met at around noon and decided that they had no other option but to postpone the Indian Premier League 2021 season indefinitely. In their statement, the BCCI has clarified that they would make every possible move to ensure that the repatriation happens of all overseas cricketers safely back home. Cricket Australia is one of the key stakeholders there because Australia has ensured that there's a travel ban until May 15th from anyone coming in from India into Australia. Cricket Australia said that they will not seek an exemption to that rule but will work with the BCCI to ensure that all the players are safe. But this news, I mean, in a flood of bad news around us already, this news just saddened cricket Twitter. I mean, we were having such a fantastic season. RCB were in contention for their first ever title. CSK were finally playing like the CSK of the old. Mumbai Indians were clawing their way back up. Sunrisers Hyderabad, they did change their captain. But this was such an amazing season, and for it to end so abruptly, it will leave a vacuum. But all that we can hope for is for the safety of all these players, the safe return of all of these players back to their homes, back to their families, and for us to hope that the IPL returns one day. It returns in happier times, it returns in safer times, and when the storm is over, it returns like a spot of bright sunshine to bring happiness back again. Also, 2021, इधर आना यार, हमने इतनी गालियां दी 2020 को in a hope that 2021 will be better. मैं तेरे को देव मानुस समझो और तू इस साल में अच्छी न्यूज़ आ ही नहीं रही है. मतलब गुड न्यूज़ है कि कोविन का OTP है, आ ही नहीं रहा है. Disappointing. IPL का सीजन पोस्टपोन हो चुका है, but that cannot take away from us our right to talk about the games that we had in the last week. What games? That Mumbai Indians Chennai Super Kings game at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi was something else. I mean, Moeen Ali and Ambati Rayudu combined their forces to take CSK to a mammoth total. Ambati Rayudu hitting hard to ensure that he almost broke that fastest 50 record for this season. And then Kieron Pollard turns around and says,
ये fastest 50 का रिकॉर्ड ऐसे तोड़ देगा, अपन को भी करने का.
He comes around and blasts CSK's bowlers to all parts of the park, scores 87 not out in that chase. Mumbai gunned down that target. Kieron Pollard scores a blistering 50. And all this while, CSK's bowlers are like, हमारी इकोनॉमी की स्थिति ठीक ना है. But if the big old KP put Mumbai Indians in a position of power, David Warner's position of power was snatched away from him by the Sunrisers Hyderabad. They made Kane Williamson the captain, made a lot of changes to their overseas contingent, in that game. All of this moving, shuttling here and there, all of this while Sunrisers Hyderabad fans went like, हाँ ये कर लो पहले, match बाद में जीत लेना. Because Sunrisers Hyderabad may have changed their overseas contingent, their captain, but the fortunes for them this season just didn't seem to change. They lost yet another game, this time against the Rajasthan Royals. And talk of Rajasthan Royals, you can't not talk of Jos Buttler, because when he's in that kind of mood, as he was against the Sunrisers Hyderabad, to stop him is virtually impossible. He notched up his maiden T20 century, bamboozling all of Sunrisers Hyderabad's bowlers, and this is an SRH attack that once defended 119 against five-time champions Mumbai Indians. Right now, SRH's bowlers are going like this. While the IPL was all fun and games, it was just that, a distraction from whatever was happening around this bubble. With the COVID-19 pandemic raging the country in such huge numbers, destroying lives left, right and centre, the IPL was just a distraction. But these players who were playing out there in the middle, a lot of them had their families outside of those bubbles in the same world, being ravaged by the same pandemic. Which is why a lot of them, during the course of this tournament, came forward to show that they cared as well, as they aided India's fight against this massive virus. Hardik Pandya announced that his family will donate 200 oxygen concentrators to India's fight against this virus, while the RCB was all in readiness to not only pledge financial support to India's fight, but also to sport a special blue jersey which would later be signed and auctioned off to raise even more money to aid India's fight against COVID-19. There was also support from the Rajasthan Royals, who pledged $1 million to India's fight against this virus. While individual players also pledged their contributions, like Shikhar Dhawan, Sachin Tendulkar, Jaydev Unadkat and Nicholas Pooran, all of them pledging their contributions to India's fight against this virus. All of this while all of you work really hard as well, making those spreadsheets, sharing those Instagram stories, sharing those crucial informations, collating them, ensuring that help reaches everyone at every point in time. All that we can hope for is for more power to you in this fight against this virus. Together we can, and together we will defeat this virus. Your buzz challenge in the last 2 weeks was to determine the purple cap and orange cap holders at the end of this season. We know that is not going to happen. But we can still pinpoint one thing. This week's challenge is to tell me the best catch that you saw throughout this tournament. I'm going to give you 2 names. Okay, 1 name, but 2 catches. Ravi Bishnoi, and those 2 catches, he really highlighted himself as a live wire in the field. And he's my pick for perhaps the best fielder this season. Who is your pick for the best fielder this season? You can tell us using #BuzzThisWeek, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. अब तो शाम को मैचेस भी नहीं है, टाइम बहुत है, भेज दो. That's all that we have for you on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week, please take care, stay safe, stay indoors, unless it's absolutely necessary for you to leave your homes. और शाम को IPL नहीं है तो उसकी चिंता मत करिए. हम हैं, आप हैं, हम यहाँ आएंगे फिर से क्रिकेट न्यूज़, क्रिकेट मीम्स, ये वैक्यूम किसी तरीके से भर देंगे.